What's up guys, quick little fun install this evening. My car has a Hurst aftermarket shifter, which is great. I took off about 3/4 of an inch of it, took a cutting wheel to it, took it off. I noticed when it's warm, it can be really hard to get into gear. So I went ahead and got the really cheap little Venom Mod. Somewhere. So yeah, it's just 2 little washers. I'm just gonna use one, and I'll show you how to do that. It's super simple. Other good news though, I got my seats. They're right there in that box. So tomorrow I will be doing an unboxing and starting the install process. So hopefully by Friday, that video will be out to you guys. So stay tuned for that. But for now, let's go to the garage and throw this little washer in, and I'll show you what it does and how it works and all that jazz. See you out there. And also, since we're out here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is a Hurst shifter with the Z06 shift knob on it, which I like. It's so much more superior than the stock one. I think now, when it took off about 3/4 of an inch, it sits perfect height. When it's cold, or if you're at a stop, it shifts just fine. Good notch to it. But when it gets warmed up, it can be a pain in the ass to go to 2nd to 3rd especially. So that's why I'm doing this mod. I never really had any desire to do it until recently. So let me go ahead and get this car jacked up and we'll swap it out real quick. And here's the button. I smoothed it out a lot better. It looks a lot better. All right, let's go. All right, here we go. I ordered the car, got it jacked up. I always like to use jack stands too on top of ramps. I feel better. So pretty easy to do. It's 1 bolt, literally. My setup here, it's at 15/16, but I only have a 24. So that's what I'm gonna be using right here. My little breaker bar and my wobbly extension. That's all I got to do this job, but I'll make it work. So it's on the starboard side. When I say starboard, I mean the passenger side, my bad. And it's kind of awkward to get to, so I'm gonna try to film this as best as I can for you guys. And there's a lot of tutorials on the internet how to do this, but hey, you know what? I thought I'll do it too. So you can't really see it from down here, but it's up right where the leaky butt is, or the drain plug is. If you go up here and follow your straight up, it's right there. It's right there. I'll put my little socket on it so you can see it better. Okay. For such a stupid little job, it's kind of awkward. And I'm not using the best tools to do this because I'm using a swivel extension, which is really stupid. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out and I'll show it to you guys. Be right back. All right, so it's out. Here it is. Pretty simple. If I'm not mistaken, when it engages in gear, this little bearing right there, give it some resistance. And by adding a little washer or two, it'll remove some of that resistance, making a smaller area for it to cover, to go over to push it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw one of these guys on there. And that's it, you've done it. You're all set. Now you're gonna reverse the process, take the car off jacks, and you're all set. All right, so we're all done here. So my consensus is that it's pretty cool. I took it around the block real quick and it feels really nice. So, my opinion, if you want the best shifting experience in the C5, I recommend a short shifter, either a Hurst or a, Hurst and the other one, I forget the name of it, B&G, I don't know. And then taking off roughly 3/4 of an inch, adding the anti-venom, and getting a C6 knob feels amazing. I didn't want to do 2 washers. I didn't want it to feel too loose, but with just one, it feels really good. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. I can definitely rip through these gears much faster now. So cool. I hope you guys appreciated this really quick little video. And a little button there, if you can see it. I did a lot of work to it. It's like no fucking light in here, but it looks really good. I don't know if you can see that. All right, guys, stay tuned for in a couple days. I'm gonna have the seat unboxing, install, and review, and some other fun goodies coming your way. Later, guys.